it's almost not compassion if you can't do it, or if you can't do it when it's hard, right?
Right.
Like compassion isn't just like this is easy. Um, Compassion is this is hard.
Right.
This is a time when I don't want to forgive somebody. And those are the instances where you really are seeing that person for who they are. And this goes back to the point that we were just talking about what compassion is seeing someone for who they are in the situation that they're in, and understanding where they're coming from, so that you can choose to, if you wish, be a space for that person to do better. Um,
Right.
even when you don't want to, even when you're frustrated. They're all, we're all sort of learning and going through this. So
Well, right. I think the thing that I take away from all of that is that compassion is not an obligation to forgive.
yeah, that's fair. I like that.
I think it's an attempt to understand, but I don't think it's an obligation to forgive. And I think that's really important for people who you can still be a compassionate person and still struggle with forgiveness. And I think that's where I land on all of it more than
I
anything.
I think that's great. It's a really good point.